So one of the things you obviously need when you go out camping is pots and pans, and this rather cool little canvas bag here is the Primus Campfire Cookset. So within here you've got a frying pan and 2 pans. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like features like that. So first time you're getting this out, and they're all nice and shiny. Look at that. So they're nice and shiny, but as well as being able to use them on a gas stove like this one, you can actually use them over the campfire too. So here's the pan. See, the handles just go together. And here's a big pot where the handle has actually got a notch in, so you can hang it over the campfire. And last but not least, we have the frying pan. The handle locks into place. So there you go, nice good family cook set. The griddle doesn't come with that, comes with the stove. So you can easily just pick this up here if it's hot, like that, see? Also got some holes in here, slightly boiling over, but also really useful if you're cooking pasta at the campsite and you need to drain off the hot water. So there we go, that lid locks into place like that. Now this lid here, does it go over there? No, it doesn't quite fit on there. Okay, so lid's on the 2 pans. But it's a rather smart looking thing. All I have to do with this here, let's bring that out here. You see here, this slots in here, like this. Those go there, and that slides forwards, stops that bit of metal coming out. And that's already locked in place, ready for frying.